Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video from Blue Line Body Cam, and the title of the video is Jaywalking Teen Assaults Cops and Gets Tased. You know, so today I've been rolling the whole day with this mic, all right, instead of the big one, you know, so because honestly, I like it. You know what I mean? Like, I do like the freedom of like being able to move around and it really not affect, you know, the quality of the audio, unlike if I had my regular mic, you know what I'm saying? So I decided today to do a whole day of just testing it out, you know, because we already did one video I forget when it was, maybe a week ago or something, but all the videos today have been done with this mic. So I'm trying to, you know, I don't know, I might switch just because I like the portability of, because with this mic, you gotta kind of like be in front of it, like in a way for it to really, but the sound quality is better with the big mic, you know. But can we get away with the quality of this one though? Let me know. But anyway, let's get into the video. I know y'all don't care about none of that stuff. And half of y'all didn't even notice unless I would have told you. You know what I'm saying? Y'all didn't even notice that all the videos today was done from a different mic than prior. And don't pretend like I knew and this and that. No, you didn't. No, you didn't. Let's get into the video.
You use methamphetamine today?
No. Video games, weed.
Okay.
If you combine that,
nope,
you get aggressive, like eye looking.
Okay, no methamphetamine, nothing like that?
Nope.
In Eden, Ohio, officers received a call about a teen walking in the middle of the road obstructing traffic. This is what happened when they arrived.
Step over to the sidewalk. He's ignoring me.
Oh, my boy is possessed.
Hey, man,
he got them demons in him.
Hey, stop. Hey. That's far enough.
Get off me, man. Get off. Fuck off. Get off.
Stop resisting.
Get off.
Stop resisting.
Get off.
Stop it. Stop it.
Get off.
Yep. You want to take him?
Get off me.
Whoa! He just swung on me.
Get off. Get off.
You're
Get off me.
You're gonna
I'm
get
just walking.
Get down on the ground.
Oh yeah, they got them together, didn't they?
Hand behind your back.
Hands behind the back.
Did you hear the sigh of relief? He said, it was over. It was like, I gave up. Y'all got me together. And that's what that sound was. I'ma act right. That's what that sound was.
Get off.
You're
Get off me. I'm just walking.
Get down on the ground. One taste.
That's that. You got me together.
Hands behind the back.
I'm good. I'm good. Y'all won. That's that you won.
Hands behind the back, dude.
Fucking walking.
Hands behind
Give me your
back.
other hand. We're both together.
That's that you won sound.
Walking, you guys assaulted me. You do realize that, right? Just because I wasn't following the street rules doesn't mean that I should be treated like this. I can't breathe. Can you please just let off your knees?
Give me just a second.
Hang on, dude.
I was just walking. You guys touched me. You do know that.
You swung on me.
You
tried to punch me in the face.
You assaulted a
You
police
wouldn't
officer.
let me pass. You literally grabbed me.
I don't know
I
if you
was
know.
just walking.
I don't know if you know this. Walking in the roadway is against the law.
Who the fuck cares?
We do.
Yeah, we're the
So
police.
it's my life. I should be able to
You want
do
the
what I
squad?
want.
Yeah.
Just so you
We're
know,
gonna
that
be
taser didn't feel like
Ackerman
shit.
in front of 512.
No, buddy. No, buddy. We can't go with that. We can't go with the taser was weak. We heard the sound of relief. We heard the sound of you won. That's what that was. He said he got hit with it. Boom. That's that you won. You know what I'm saying? That's the similar sound when we relieve. You know what I'm saying? It's like we won. You know what I'm saying? A guy feels good. You listen, fellas. You know what I'm talking about. Listen, don't act like you don't know what I'm talking about. That sound right there is that. It's like when you in some warm apple pie. Listen, I hope y'all can put two and two together. Put two and two together. When the ladies let the brothers get some warm apple pie, and it's like, it's that we won. We won. We won. You hear me? So you can't go back and say that taser was weak because the taser won.
Fucking weak. I was still standing. Took both of you motherfuckers. And the handcuffs.
Well, you know what?
It's fucking pathetic.
Here's the deal, man. We were trying.
Trying to what? Ruin my day?
No, we were trying to not hurt you.
You're trying to be nice.
And then you decided to swing on us.
How old are you?
You grabbed me.
How old are you?
I'm 19.
Oh, perfect.
You grabbed me. I didn't even do nothing. I swung because you guys were both hitting me.
We weren't hitting you.
You fucking grabbing me. I was just walking.
You were not complying.
I shouldn't have to. It's a free country.
All right.
It's not.
Here's the deal, man. You have the right to remain silent. Why don't you use that?
You guys are a bunch of fucking bullshit.
What's your name, dude?
You know what my name is. You guys all know who the fuck I am.
No, we don't.
Yes, you do.
What's your name, man?
You guys talk about me all the fucking time. I'm the most popular man in this fucking town.
If you're so popular, what's your name?
You know who I am. I'm Luke.
Luke what?
But I don't ask to be popular. I just know I am because everybody fucking watches me all the time.
Luke, what's your last name? Luke.
Yeah, you're messing with Matt's son. Good job, man.
Who's Matt?
Matt.
Do you know either of
That
those people?
taser was weak as fuck.
I believe you.
Yeah, the old one was better. The one before that was real good.
But do you see, I was just walking. Even though I wasn't walking on the sidewalk, you guys grabbed me. No, nothing fucking happened. You guys grabbed me.
You remember when I told you to step over on the sidewalk so I could talk to you, and you ignored me and kept on walking?
I'm allowed to keep walking.
And then you tried to walk right through my sergeant.
I don't owe you shit.
Sorry,
I
bud,
am my own person.
You
Just
can't.
like
You
you are.
can't. Keep playing. You can't walk in the middle of the road. You get hit by a car. We don't want you to get killed.
It's my life. I'm allowed to gamble it anywhere I want.
Not
Just
exactly.
Like you. You're allowed to do whatever you want. I'm allowed to do whatever I want.
Well, that's not exactly true. You can't
Yeah,
just
it is.
You can't just do whatever you want. Yeah, are you hurting anywhere?
Well, if I am, it's because of you fuckers.
Okay, so where are you hurting?
You've already established that the
I ain't
taser
hurting
didn't.
anywhere actually to be dead ass honest.
Okay. You said the taser didn't hurt you nowhere, right?
Nope, taser didn't do shit to me.
You said we
I
didn't
felt
hurt you.
sting.
Stay down.
Stay there. You said we didn't hurt you.
Huh?
You said we couldn't hurt you, right?
No, you guys did not fucking hurt me.
Okay.
I'm just minding my own fucking business, and you guys are the ones
Well, that's
that grabbed me.
exactly what we were doing. We're minding our own business, trying to do our job.
By approaching me,
We're trying to help you.
Trying to keep you out of the roadway so you don't get run over.
Believe
By
it,
approaching me, you were minding your own business.
Luke. Believe it or
You
not,
guys-
We received a call.
believe it or not, we
Heroes
don't want you
in
to get run over.
costumes. That's what the fuck you guys are.
Believe it or not, we don't want you to get run over.
I ain't gonna get ran over.
Well, walking in the middle of the roadway is not
Nobody
a good
will
way to
hit me.
assure
Don't
that.
you get that?
There's sidewalks
I
on
will
both
walk
sides.
and no one will fucking hit me.
There's sidewalks on both sides of the street, man.
You guys just don't want it to be known that no one will fucking hit me. That's what it is.
Luke, I'm gonna ask you a serious question. Have you done any illegal drugs today? Have you used methamphetamine?
I smoked weed.
You smoked weed? Have you used methamphetamine today?
No.
Okay. The reason I'm asking is your eyes are like super pinpoint, like your pupils. Are you sure you haven't?
Play a lot of video games. You know how you have to watch your eyes and shit?
Okay. All right.
Video
You ever-
games, weed.
Okay.
If you combine that,
Nope.
you get aggressive, like eye looking.
Okay. No methamphetamine, nothing like that.
Nope.
All right.
Don't you think I'm allowed to fucking walk?
Yeah, on the sidewalk.
See, I'm not the aggressive one here.
Neither am I.
This
Yes,
is
you
Luke.
are.
He's got some taser barbs. You roll over here, bud. He's got some taser barbs in his back and in his legs.
Yeah.
Yeah, if you guys could remove him and just give him a quick assessment. He's telling us that he doesn't have any injuries or anything.
I was literally just walking. You guys fucking grabbed me and threw me on the ground. I was just walking.
Do you want me to take it over here?
No.
Why did you guys even build those churches, huh? It don't mean shit to you guys.
What are you talking about?
You know exactly what I'm talking about.
No, I most certainly do not.
Okay. Luke, you hurt anywhere? You have any injuries at all?
I'm just hurt by you guys.
Okay.
Any health problems? Do you take any medications?
No medication, just smoking weed. That's literally all I do, and that's legal, but not for my age because I ain't 21. But
Yeah, might as well get out of the road.
All right, you ready? We're going to stand you up.
Ready, 1, 2, 3, up.
There you go. Which car you want to move?
Mine's got a little more room.
so, is this what these Andrew Tate videos are?
You say what these what tapes are?
Andrew Tate videos. You know exactly what I'm talking about.
I have no idea what you're talking about.
You're gonna pat him down. I'm gonna shut my middle
You guys
divider.
play stupid all you want.
Oh man, these young kids, man. Listen, a lot of older people don't know who Andrew Tate is. Andrew Tate has a cult-like following, but it's for kids. It's for young adult men, you know. It's for maybe like, I would say his age demographic is maybe like 15 to like 25. Even 30. Nah, I'll say 30. Older. But these guys are like 40, 50. They don't know. They do not know who no Andrew Tate is, man. Cut it out. God just honestly looks like a lost soul, man. He needs some guidance.
Right pocket, there's a phone and a weed card.
No weapons or anything?
Inside.
I understand. No weapons or anything, though?
Phone.
No weed cartridge.
Wait, try the left side. That it?
There it is. All right, you gonna have a seat, watch your head when you get in. That's all we had on him. Huh. He acts like we know him, but I have no idea who this kid is.
I don't know.
Luke was charged with felony assault, obstructing official business, failure to comply with signal or order, resisting arrest, and pedestrian walking along a highway.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.